Hanover Township Fire on the investigation. Sansui Highway in front of Air Products, flooded roadway, 1140. Their GPS is telling them 14 minutes. Five 5782 County. 57782. Okay, you just have 6 on board. One route to Middleton. 10-4-11-44. Hey, Scott. We're going to be closer. Mark 11 Delta on that call. We'll be signing on momentarily for additional. Copy that. 1144.
Making out last night?
18311.
I was under the influence, so we're
Charlie, you know what it's on location. I got a large commercial structure, nothing shown from the exterior, no evacuation. Crews are going to be investigating. You can also put 183 engine 1 on scene as well.
on scale 1145.
Alright. Stay dry.
Yep.
Warning 3 engine to warning 3 ladder. It's gonna be the same issue as last time. It's gonna be the water flow in the garden center.